What's up, guys? Today we're diving into the remarkable Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, a smartphone lineup that's truly setting new standards. I'm excited to walk you through these incredible devices, highlighting their key features, performance, and what makes them an absolute game changer in the smartphone arena. So the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. These phones made their grand entrance on January 17, 2024, boasting Android V14 with Samsung's elegant One UI. Let's talk about what makes these devices stand out from the crowd. First things first, the display. We're looking at a gorgeous, dynamic AMOLED screen, a spacious 6.8-inch beauty with a jaw-dropping resolution of 1440 x 3200 pixels. This screen delivers a stunning 516 pixels per inch, offering vivid visuals and HDR10+ support that'll make your content pop like never before. Plus, the smooth 120 Hz refresh rate ensures an ultra-smooth user experience. The design is both sleek and sturdy, coming in shades of black, gray, yellow, and violet. What's more, they're water-resistant with an IP68 rating, so no need to worry about a few raindrops or accidental spills. Let's shift our focus to the camera setup. With a powerhouse quad camera arrangement, the primary 200MP lens captures mind-blowing details, while the 12MP ultra-wide and 10MP telephoto lenses offer unparalleled versatility. And let's not forget the 50MP lens for those exceptional shots, plus shooting in 7680 x 4320 at 24 FPS. That's pro-level video quality right in your pocket. On the front, a 12MP selfie camera ensures your self-portraits are nothing short of perfection. Underneath the hood, powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor and an impressive 12 GB of RAM, these devices are absolute powerhouses. The 5000 mAh battery ensures lasting power, and with 45W fast charging, you're back in action at lightning speed. No more waiting around for your phone to juice up. Storage-wise, we're talking 256 GB of internal space, giving you ample room for all your photos, videos, and apps. And while there's no expandable memory, trust me, you won't need it with this generous storage capacity. There you have it, folks, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, a true testament to innovation and excellence in smartphone technology. Which feature impressed you the most? Let me know in the comments below. If you want more in-depth reviews and the latest tech updates, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one.